Three Jackson brothers sat in a dark theater. They had just watched their nephew become their brother. The screen went black. The lights came up, and no one spoke. Jackie Jackson couldn't form words. Marlon Jackson had tears streaming down his face. Tito's sons were there too, watching their uncles break down. What those brothers did next, no one expected it, and the world wasn't ready for what they said. Marlon Jackson stood on the red carpet in Berlin. He had just watched his nephew transform into his brother. His voice cracked when he spoke to reporters. He said, "Jaafar is unbelievable. I'm watching the movie, and sometimes I'm thinking I'm watching Michael up there, and I forget, oh, it's Jaafar." Marlon has been on stage with Michael for years. He knows every move, every smile, every gesture. And he forgot. For 2 hours, Marlon believed his brother was alive again. That's not a review. That's a confession. And he wasn't done yet. Marlon didn't stop there. He said Jaafar is the only person who could have done this. Jaafar is damn good, he said. Then he thought about Michael, about their childhood in Gary, Indiana, about rehearsing in their parents' living room, about Joe Jackson cracking his belt. Marlon said, Michael is down smiling. Think about that. A brother who lost his sibling. A brother who spent 17 years missing him. And after watching Jaafar, Marlon felt Michael smiling. Not from a recording, not from a memory, from somewhere beyond. The reporter didn't know what to say. Neither did Marlon. Jackie Jackson was at the same premiere. He's the oldest Jackson brother. He helped raise Michael. He watched him go from a little boy in Gary to the king of pop. After the film ended, a reporter asked Jackie what he thought. He couldn't form a sentence. He just shook his head. Finally, he said, he became Michael in the film. Not he looked like Michael, not he sounded like Michael. He became Michael. Jackie didn't need to say more. His eyes said everything. He had seen his little brother again, and he couldn't stop crying. The reporter thanked him and walked away. Jackie stayed, still shaking his head. Jackie and Marlon weren't alone. Other family members were in that theater. People who grew up with Michael, who shared his dinner table, who watched him struggle under their father's belt. They all felt the same thing. One family member said, "We forgot we were watching Jaafar." Another said, "Michael was in that room." The crew who worked on the film said the Jackson family's reaction was more emotional than anything they captured on camera. Because this wasn't a performance. This was healing. 17 years of grief pouring out in a dark theater. And then, Prince Jackson spoke. Subscribe to this channel. I release new Michael Jackson biopic stories every week. You won't find these family reactions anywhere else. Subscribe now, because what Prince Jackson said next, he had to walk outside. He couldn't even finish his sentence. Don't forget to subscribe now. Prince Jackson wasn't at the Berlin premiere, but he watched the film privately, and his reaction was even more emotional. He told reporters, "The first time that I saw him in person in his hair and makeup was really an emotional shock, because I had not seen my father in a long time." Prince had to walk outside. He needed air. He needed space, because looking at his cousin felt like looking at his father. He said, Jaafar just embodied him and brought him back in that moment. Michael's son, the boy who lost his father at 12 years old. He said Jaafar brought him back. Then he walked away. He couldn't say more. Critics can write whatever they want about this movie. They can complain about the timeline, about what was left out, about what was included, but none of that matters. Because the only reviews that truly count came from the people who knew Michael best. His brothers, his son, his mother. Marlon forgot he was watching Jaafar. Jackie couldn't speak. Prince had to walk outside. These aren't actors giving rehearsed answers. These are family members processing grief 17 years later in a dark theater, watching their nephew become their brother. And the world wasn't ready for it. Tito Jackson's sons, Taj and TJ, weren't at the premiere, but they saw the media attacking the film before it even came out. Taj posted online, "Sorry, media, you don't get to control the narrative anymore of who Michael truly was. The public gets to watch this movie. They will decide for themselves, and you can't handle that." TJ posted, "My uncle deserves this. My cousin earned this. The world will be reminded or learn who MJ truly was." They weren't defending the film. They were defending Michael, and they weren't afraid to say it. The media stayed quiet after that. These brothers carry a weight most people will never understand. They grew up in Gary, Indiana. They watched their father push Michael to the brink. They watched the world love him, then abandon him, then love him again. They watched him die. And then they watched their nephew step into his shoes. The fact that Marlon could say Jaafar is damn good through tears, that's not a soundbite. That's a brother finally finding peace. Jackie couldn't speak because he was speechless. Prince had to walk outside because it was too much. That's not marketing. That's family. And family doesn't lie.
This is my big brother back here. You see what they do? I want to say this. You got thousands and thousands of people who can do a Michael Jackson unbelievable. But the difference is they imitated Michael and Jaafar became Michael.
Like I'm doing. People do the same. Matter of fact, yeah, when I saw it, I started crying because I couldn't believe it. You can see
Subscribe to this channel. The next video is more from the Michael biopic, behind-the-scenes moments the family never wanted you to see. Subscribe now. 3 Jackson brothers watched Jaafar become Michael. Marlon forgot it wasn't Michael. Jackie couldn't speak. Prince had to walk outside. They cried because they lost a brother, a father, a legend. And for 2 hours, they had him back. That's not a movie. That's a miracle. Subscribe.